Good morning, students. I'm a science teacher, and today I'm going to teach you science. Last video, from the last video, we start our 8th chapter of science, that is body movement. In this chapter, we discussed on the different topics. First one, introduction we see of this chapter, and in the introduction we discussed that in our body day to day we see different types of motion or movement when we jumping, running, exercise, playing. So our body different parts of body moves only because of the joints, where the bones are joined together, two or more bones, they form joint. Okay, so different joints we discussed. Okay, and we also see X-ray image of the bones here. This is joints. We see very clearly the joints of bones in the X-ray. So there are 4 types of joints: ball and socket joints, pivotal joints, hinge joints, and fixed joints. Okay, and first one is ball and socket joint. So what is ball and socket joint? We already discussed. There, when one end of a bone is ball shaped, is fixed into another one end of bone that has the shape, hollow shape of the, or the bowl shape of one end. Both are fixed and form ball and socket joint. So like this, we already see, like this, one end of a bone is a bowl shaped, and another bone one end is ball shaped. Both are fixed, and this type of joints is called ball and socket joint. And this in this type of joints, bones move in all direction like this. If we want to try move this bone in this direction here, or we want to rotate, so it is rotate easily. This type of joints are present in hip joints. There our thigh is connected, okay, with our hip, and the shoulder joints. It is also the example of ball and socket joints. So this is the hip bone, this is the thigh bone, which is connect with the joint socket to the hip bone. Okay, so this is the type of joints which wall shaped surface of one bone fitted into another hollow space of another bone. These are called, this type of joints are called, and second is called socket, and this type of joints is called ball and socket joint. Okay, in this type of joint, movement can be done in all direction. Okay, we discussed on all directions. Shoulder joints and hip joints are the example of it. And the pivotal joint we discussed already. Pivotal joint is present where pivotal joints is present in our body? In neck. Okay, pivotal joints allow rotation. We are able to rotate our neck. Twisting, we are able to twist our neck, and extension. Okay, and flexibility we have. So this type of joints where our neck joints with the head and allow to movement of forward direction, backward direction, left and right directions. Okay, so this type of joints is called pivotal joints. It is moreover like a cylindrical ball, like a cylindrical bone in move into the ring, like this type of work. Okay, it is the pivotal joint. And the third one, hinge joints. Hinge joints is present in different parts of the body where they moves our bones in only one direction. Hinge joints are found between two or more bones. Okay, where we need back or forward. Where we weak, only back and forward direction movement. Okay, and this movement is also restricted with a limit of movement. For example, knees, elbow, ankle joints. These are the example of hinge joints where it moves when we try to move our hand. So it moves from a limited direction from here to here and back to the straight form, but we cannot fold it in backward. हम उसको उल्टा फोल्ड नहीं कर पाएंगे, सिर्फ आगे की तरफ फोल्ड होगा. ओके, सेम हमारे लेग के साथ में होता है, हमें मूवमेंट में हेल्प करते हैं एंड इज फोल्ड ओनली वन डायरेक्शन, ओनली पीछे की तरफ फोल्ड होगा. कहाँ से? हमारे नीज से, है ना. और आगे की तरफ हम सोचें तो आगे एक प्लेट लगी हुई होती है जो हमारे मूवमेंट को रेस्ट्रिक्ट करती है कि हमारा जो लेग है ये इस डायरेक्शन, ये यहाँ से आगे की तरफ मूव फोल्ड ना हो. So this type of joints is called hinge joints. Okay, and example is knee, elbow, and ankles. And the last type of joints is fixed joints. Fixed, as the name we understand that which type of joints is this. As the name says, these type of joints are called fixed because it does not move in any direction. So this type of joints is present in skull, where many bones are joined to each other. Bones present in our head are called skull bones. The bones which present in our skull is called skull bones, and which does not move. Okay, and you can observe that moving your jaw. So our lower jaw is move in one direction, but upper jaw is not move because it is fixed. Okay, so this type of joints where bones are joined together and don't move in any direction, this type of joints is called fixed joints. Okay, so from tomorrow we will continue from the next topic, bones. So we discussed on the different bones which present in our body. Total 206 bones are present in our body. Okay, so today we discussed 4 types of joints. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask.